Alrighty, Luke Callahan here. We're talking about 2983 Northwest Deer Run Street in Corvallis. It's part of the Ponderosa Ridge Community built by Holt Homes. This is the demo home. It's 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,803 square feet, single level, 2-car garage. Let's check it out. Alrighty, if you like that home, give me a call or a text anytime. And otherwise, I can get you a updated inventory sheet So reach out, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.